In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to join old servers in Roblox. So let's get started. In order to join old servers in Roblox, you have to open Google Chrome. Once you open Google Chrome, you have to search for Roblox and click enter. Once you are on the login page, you have to scroll down a bit and click on help. Once you click on help, then you have to search for test and click on the test server. Now you have to click on need more help, contact support here, and once you are on this page, you have to enter all your details here and select what device are you on and select bug report here and select bug report again here. Now you have to describe your issue. In this box you have to write this, which I'm about to tell you. My private server from Grow a Garden recently just got closed, but I had it opened since April 20th. I am really sad because my game crashed, which was not my fault, but because Roblox went down. So I was hoping you can send me a link to my server with my original process on that game, exactly how it was. Thank you. Just click on this continue button and wait for a few hours, and the Roblox support will contact you, walk you through some steps, and your problem should be solved and you should be able to join old servers from your Roblox account. So yes, this is it for today's video, and if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, comment, and thanks for watching.